The weekly code quiz. What are microformats? Microformats are used to add more meaning to HTML. Why use microformats? They help your website be better understood by adding more information about your content. Examples of some benefits. Increased search engine understanding improves SEO. Browser extensions can download information from your site, i.e. contacts, calendar, maps. Users can subscribe to your website feeds such as blog posts using feed readers. It can be used to specify event information, location, reviews, recipes, resumes, and products. What microformat is used for contact information? An hcard can be used for a person or an organization. To tell the browser the kind of microformat, we use the class attribute and have several predefined values. The values are grouped into subtypes identified by a prefix. What are some of the prefixes used? H, P, U, DT, and E. What are H microformats used for? The H prefix is for top-level root classes, so hcard for a person or organization, hentry for date-stamped or episodic content like blogs, hfeed for a stream of posts. What are P microformats used for? The P prefix is for plain text properties. Example, pname or pstreet address for name and address in an hcard. What are U microformats used for? The prefix U is for URL properties. Example, uemail for email. What are DT microformats used for? The prefix DT is for date and time properties such as DT start and DT end. What are E microformats used for? The prefix E refers to element tree properties, so the value represents an entire hierarchy of elements. Example, econtent. Going back to an hcard for contact information for a person, what is the value of the name? Pname. What is the value of a street address? Pstreet address. What is the value of a town or city? P locality. What is the value of a state? P region. What is the value of a zip code? P postal code. What is the value of an email? U email. Remember, U is for URL properties. Here is an example of an hcard microformat. Presented by Designers Learn Code.